Have you ever wondered about unveiling the future from a box? Let's not keep the mystery lingering. Here we are, revealing the Nothing Phone 3, straight out of the packaging. It's time to unwrap and welcome the future that promises to redefine your smartphone experience. Isn't it thrilling to hold the device that could replace the one resting in your pocket or hand right now? Let's dive in. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to hit the market on the 14th of February, 2024. If you're looking for an excellent phone with a reasonable price tag, this might be the one for you. The expected price is around 70,281 Pakistani rupees. At the core of the Nothing Phone 3 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 2 processor. Accompanying this powerful processor is either 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM and storage options of 128 or 256 gigabytes. This ensures a smooth and lag-free experience no matter what you throw at it. This device boasts a display of 6.55 inches with a decent resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. It's not just about the size, but also about the quality that provides an immersive viewing experience. In the photography department, the Nothing Phone 3 is no slouch. The rear camera setup consists of a 64-megapixel wide lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, with a phase detection autofocus feature. The front camera is a 16-megapixel wide lens. This phone is designed to capture your memories in the best possible way. As for connectivity, this model includes touchscreen, Bluetooth, Edge, GPRS, and it supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G networks. It's a device that's ready for the present and the future. The Nothing Phone 3 also includes a fingerprint sensor under the display and an accelerometer among other sensors. It's not just a phone, it's a device packed with features that are designed to make your life easier. So, the next time you think about your current phone, remember the Nothing Phone 3. With its powerful processor, ample storage, excellent camera setup, and future-ready connectivity, it's a phone that's ready to meet your needs today and tomorrow. The future of smartphones is here, and it's called the Nothing Phone